In today's video, we are going to work on a problem. For example, when we are using a Git repository in our command line, must have seen in certain command lines where you are able to see the name of the branch which you are currently on in the prompt itself. For example, after displaying the folder name, you can see that the branch name is also there. For example, it can be master, it can be main. The name of the branch that you're currently working on is there. For example, if I go to my directory, my dev utils, this is another of my websites. You can see that we have this is a Git repository. Uh, so So I'm here, but I don't know what branch is right now. For example, I can query the branch that right now on the master. So I don't want to query the branch. I want this branch name to display right after the folder name. So today we are going to work on this, solve this problem. So how are we going to do it? I'll go back to my previous folder, learning PowerShell. There is a function called prompt which gets called every time this prompt is displayed. So this text is coming from that function. So we are going to modify the prompt function to display the uh, branch name. And you might have seen that other terminals which display the branch name using some plugins to do that. So we are going to do the same, achieve the same result without any plugin with very minor changes. So let us see the content of the current uh, function, get prompt function, that what is there in the function. It is present in the function drive, and I will say prompt. It is present there, but I need the definition that what exactly is the code that is running. So you can see it prints ps, then it prints the current drive name, and it then prints this greater than bracket right here. So this is the code that is running right now. So I will copy this and start and edit the profile. So want to know what is the profile. For example, if in my terminal, it is this location where the where from when terminal launches, it loads file from this location. So I'm going to say start vim dollar profile. This is the current function, current content of my profile. I'm going to write the prompt function to override the default prompt function. Okay, this is wrong. So I need this data. I need to I need to copy this and paste it here. So this is the current this is the current content of prompt, and this is what is getting printed. To show you that our changes are working, I'm going to remove this ps from here and profile it. You can see that ps string that was earlier, that has disappeared. So how are we going to achieve our showing the branch name in our prompt? So what we have to do, let us go back to the git repository. I can run a test path dot get to check that this is a git repository or not. If dot git folder is present, then it is a git repository, and I can check more that test path, I think, head, this file is present or not. And first get, or I can say just check the dot get slash head if it is present or not. In many cases, it is possible that a folder is there but the file is not there. Let us check what is the content of this file. So you see, this shows the current of branch that we are right now, as the head points to. So head points to master. Let me switch the branch. Uh, Let me check the branches available. Now I will switch to nodes. So you see that the branch now changed to nodes. So what we are going to do two things. First, we are going to check that this file is present. If it is present, then we are going to extract the nodes part. This is the current branch and display it in our profile. So let me switch back to non Git repository folder. I will open the profile and I will say this is the default case. Then I will say if test path $get head, if this file is present, if we have a git repository and a header file in it, what we are going to say, I will say that get content path get head, right? Okay, then I will say that split, I think it was something like this, front slash, and the content is going to be a array of a string. I will say branch name is the array length -1. This is the branch name is going to be the last element of the branch, last element of the array. So we have a branch name. I will just copy this over here and say, let me put it there, branch name, like this. So see that there is no change, right? Because this is non-repository branch. Let me switch to repository branch and what happens. So you see that right now we can see the uh, git branch right now. Earlier it was not possible, but we made the changes in the prompt and we are able to save. And let me switch to master. So as we switch to master, now it should show that it is master, not what is called nodes. So you saw that now it is showing master. So our code is working to show the to display the git branch name. So let us go back and try with other branches. For example, I can say make it pwa. So you saw that now it is changed to make it pwa. So our code is working. And one thing we can do more uh, is that we can color it. For example, I can say make it a red color. For example, this it is 31M. Okay, so I will open the profile and go here and say a 31M, and I will reset the change. I should only color the branch name and the rest will be left as it is. So I will say, let me clean it, profile it, change the directory. Now it see that the branch name is coming in color. For example, if I go back to switch master, switch to nodes, and I can say switch to date conversion. So you saw that how I'm able to display the branch name of a Git repository, current branch name of a Git repository in our prompt without any plugin and without any big changes. So it automatically detects the current folder as a it is a Git repository or not. It should be a valid Git repository. I haven't added that many checks, and it automatically displays the branch name. If I go back, say any of the my non-Git repository branches, and the name will disappear. So there is no branch name. So hope this session was useful to you, and thank you for watching.